what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zia, and I'm your host P Fire, aka P on your favorite MC. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go around the camera, come back in shot, and we're going to do it like we're doing it for TV. So let's do it. I'm back, guys. I'm back. You see what's different? Alright guys, you see what's going on. Let me lower the camera so you can see what's good here, guys. Alright, look, you see what's happening right now. I got on these. Oh, let me zip up before I get done, you know what I mean? Guys, you see what's going on. Today, guys, we have the CP Company. Let me drop this some more. We have the CP Company cargo pants. Very, very nice. And I told you orange was the colour of this day, and yes, it is. Look at these. Give it a 12 to the RJ to the 12. Should we get into it? Let's get into it, guys. As you can see, we have these CP Company Ergonomic Fit. Ergonomic Fit cargo trousers. This is a size 48. Once again, these would have been my size, but they're a little bit big now, but they're nice and loose, so we like them just as they are. You know what I mean? Really nice. Let's get into it, guys. There's my waist. Of course, you've got these nice thick belt loops, as you can see. So if you want to walk down the street with your hands in your belt loops, you can do that, you know what I mean? Get a pair of braces, off you go. Love it, love it, love it. Of course, you've got the zip right there with a nice little zip pull. That's like a little taffeta zip pull right there. And then you've got your nice button, as you can see, CP Company, etc, etc. Got a spare little button right there in case you need it. Really nice. Okay guys, left hand side, right hand side, you've got these beautiful pockets. As you can see, the pockets are a bit different. Let me just give you a close up. See that pocket there? It's not your usual pocket. There it is, fastened down, but the top bit doesn't raise, and then you can put your hand in and you still got that bit there. Equilibrium, same beautiful thing, same thing right there. Hand in, hands in. I'm walking down the street with my hands in my skyrocket. Perfect for that. Perfect. Really, really nice. Let me put that down again. Now this is some sort of soft kind of, it feels a bit moleskinny, but not moleskinny. Very, very nice material, super nice. And it's kind of got like, you know, like the suede, when you rub your hand up and down a bit of suede and the color changes. Can you see? It does that. So they're kind of like a suede-y kind of pair. They're not, but very, very nice. Okay, left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, you've got your cargo pockets right there. Let me lift it. Fastened by a normal little rivet button. Equilibrium, same beautiful thing. So the same thing on the other side. You put your hands down there. You can put a couple houses in each pocket. You can walk down the street, put a house in here or two, put a house in here or two. You might be weighed down, but you could definitely have the space. Like my half my arms actually disappearing in the pocket. Super nice pocket and super soft. Let's put that down like that, and then we can get into more of the detail. Now, of course, on the left hand side, you've got your lens right there. As you can see, lens right there. Super, super nice. CP Company, of course, it says. Very nice. Guys, these are so soft, so nice, so beautiful. I'll tell you exactly what pants these are, and we will get into some more of the detail. Left hand side, right hand side, you've got two pockets at the back again, fastened by rivets, and the pockets on these are very, very nice. You've got enough space for everything you need. You know what I mean? You're traveling across, you can do it. It's super dope. Very, very nice. You can put as much as you want in there or as little as you want in there. Super, super nice, guys. I love these pair. I've not worn them yet. They're brand new. Where's the tags? The tags are here somewhere. As you can see, tags are here. And these are cargo pants, stretch satin. Got your CP Company right there. These are a stretch satin, and I'm not gonna lie, these are probably my favorite cargo pants of all time. So I'm gonna have to get a few more of these because they are beautiful. And of course, they're in this resplendent orange. I told you, orange is the order of the day. They're so beautiful that the police are coming to grab me because I'm on fire. Yeah, that's right, P-fire. And then I give you a little twirlage once again. You see, super nice. And of course, I'm rocking these Air Max Ugly Duckling pack, and they go perfect with. Guys, I'm just naturally a coordinator. Look at these. What do you think, guys? I mean, oh, so nice. Of course, these belt loops make me wanna, I don't know, but super dope. Of course, you've got nice belt loop right in the center right there, and then you've got another two right there. You've got your CP company right there, as you can see. Really, really dope. Guys, these pants are beautiful, sexy, lovely. What more can I say? Not much, except that please take a look at them. Guys, alright, that has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit. These have been some CP Company Ergonomic cotton sateen pants. I've been your boy P Fire, aka P is for Fire, P-F-I-R-E, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. I hope you're enjoying the videos, and yeah, like I said, make sure you watch video 300 so that we can get these giveaways and, you know, make sure that there's a few happy customers from the channel. Guys, mad love, mad respect, and as always, I appreciate your support, and yeah, I'm sending you good energy as always. Stay dope, stay fly, and catch you on the flip side. Peace.